Now, to your advantage. What's up, South Africa, and welcome to another episode of Info with Ian. I'm very excited to have my guest with me today, Jamin Lopez de Silva. Thank you very much for being here, bud.
Thank you, Ian. Thank you for inviting me. I'm very excited to be here.
Well, look, I am even more excited because I believe that you and all of our different insuring partners have come up with a phenomenal solution to help South Africans stay in the same financial position they were in before they have a motor claim loss.
100%, especially now with these difficult times. Petrol prices going up, repo rates going up. It's crazy. Clients are suffering. They are taking the brunt of it. So we've got a very phenomenal product. It's called the Retail Value Booster.
Retail Value Booster. Okay.
That's correct.
Now, I'm not a technical fundi. These guys know it. You most certainly know it. So give us the technical sort of quick overview of what this product is and how is it going to help South Africans.
100%. So most of your policy says that at the time of a claim, the insurer will indemnify you for the claim or your vehicle. So if, for example, you had a write-off with the current retail value at the time of loss.
Okay.
So what most of the insurers have done is that they've said that now you can purchase this Retail Value Booster. So you've got three basic options: 10, 15, and 20%.
Okay.
And how it is you pay a small additional premium, and then come at the time of loss, you can get paid up to 20% more.
More of the vehicle's value.
That's correct.
So if your vehicle is worth 100,000 and you take the 5, it'll boost you up to 105. If you take the 10, it'll 110, and then up to the 20, 25% mark. Whichever one you take, it boosts it up to that value.
That's correct.
But why is this important?
It's massively important because at the moment, what we're seeing is there's such a high demand for second-hand vehicles.
Yes.
So we see it on a regular basis. A client will approach us and says, look, I'm buying this type of vehicle. Hypothetically, it's a 2018 model. We say, okay, cool. For example, the value is X. He says, but I'm buying it for X plus 2. So he's buying it for more than what it's currently worth. And this is a problem, and hence the product.
So if the guys don't take the product, essentially what's going to happen, and I'm going to use a food analogy because I like food. I had a jam sandwich and I could have gotten another jam sandwich, except now you're giving me the retail booster. Now I can have a jam sandwich elevated to like, a burger and chips.
A burger and chips. And that's exactly the premise of the product. We're saying pay a little bit more for a little bit more in the time that you need it. So the majority of the market is in the second-hand market. A majority of our clients is purchasing the vehicles that are in line with their budgets.
Yes.
You know, typical example, if a guy had a certain brand of a vehicle, he would want to stick to that brand because he knows that
That's
brand.
his lifestyle.
That's his lifestyle.
Okay.
You know, so we don't want to put the client in the position where he has to kind of go back or downgrade. This product is essentially helping him to upgrade or to stay in line with
in the same financial situation.
Correct.
Well, listen, guys, you've now heard it from the technical master himself. If you want to remain eating burgers and chips or filet mignon, whatever your lifestyle requires, make sure that you get the right retail value or retail booster value on top of your current insurance product and utilize it to your advantage. So, in conclusion, guys, get the Retail Value Booster product. Do not go from eating burgers and chips to jam sandwiches. Don't miss out. Get in touch, get a broker, get the product. You still here? Well then go and like
And subscribe.
Go to our YouTube channel,
Or other social media channels.
any social media channel.